Ever wondered if your car could drive itself? Welcome to the world of autonomous vehicles. These cars use a high-tech mix of cameras, LiDAR, and radar to see the world in 3D, while powerful AI makes all the driving decisions. We are already seeing this technology in action. SAE International defines automation levels from 0 to 5. Right now, many new cars have level 2 features like adaptive cruise control, but the real game changer is level 4, fully autonomous robotaxis. Companies like Waymo are already operating in cities like San Francisco and Austin, and they're expanding fast. In China, Baidu and WeRide are leading the charge. These aren't just concepts, they're on our streets today, shaping the future of how we travel.
Sensors and perception of autonomous cars, cameras, provide detailed visual information, 6 or more cameras, including night vision for recognizing lanes, signs, and objects. LiDAR, light detection and ranging. Laser scanning for precise measurement of distances and shapes of objects in 3D. Radar radio detection and ranging. Tracks the movement of vehicles and pedestrians. Works well even in bad weather, rain, fog. Ultrasonic sensors. Detect obstacles in the immediate vicinity, curbs, GPS, and maps. For precise location, determination, and route planning. In 2014, SAE International defined levels of automation from 0 to 5. Let's describe each level a little bit. 0. No automation. The automatic system only warns, but does not control the car. 1. Driver assistance hands-on. More complex functions can be performed automatically. Adaptive cruise control. Active parking assist. The driver must be able to drive at any time. 2. Partial automation hands-off. The automatic system drives, accelerates, and brakes. The driver must monitor traffic and control the system's operation. 3. Conditional automation eyes off. In a defined environment, the driver does not have to focus on driving, but must be ready to take over driving within a time limit set by the manufacturer. 4. High automation mind off. With the exception of highly dangerous environments, dangerous weather, the automatic system drives, and the driver does not intervene. 5. Full automation selective driving. The automatic system drives to any legal destination. The driver only enters the destination. In 2025, SAE Level 2 or Level 2 Plus is widespread in most new cars and includes assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping, with typical examples being Tesla Autopilot and BMW Driving Assistant Plus, Dacia Bigster, Hyundai Ioniq, Neue, Koda, Kia, EV4, and others. Mercedes-Benz is the first automaker to receive approval for its Drive Pilot system, which operates as Level 3 and is active on German highways. The user can watch a movie or work while driving, but must be ready to take over the steering wheel if prompted. Honda has implemented Level 3 in T-Legend primarily in the Japanese market. Robotaxi. These services currently meet Level 4 of the SAE classification, meaning the vehicle can drive completely autonomously in a geofenced area and handle most situations without human intervention. In these areas, a driver is not required. Companies such as Baidu, WeRide, and Pony.ai on the Chinese side and Waymo and Tesla on the American side are mainly fighting for market share. WeRide company operates and tests in over 30 cities across 11 countries, including mentioned China, US, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Belgium, France, and Singapore. In some of these locations, it cooperates with Uber, which provides taxi services. Waymo currently operates in US cities such as San Francisco, Los Angeles, and including Austin, Texas. It plans to launch additional operations in the capital, Washington, D.C., from 2026. In addition, in the spring of 2025, it launched test drives outside the American continent, specifically in Tokyo, where the vehicles still drive with drivers. The company also announced that it will begin deploying fully autonomous vehicles in 5 new U.S. cities: Miami, Dallas, Houston, San Antonio, and Orlando. Operations in Miami began immediately, with additional cities to follow in the coming weeks. Initially, the service will be available only to employees and their immediate family, with the public expected to open in 2026. Cruise General Motors also operates driverless cars in California. Its vehicles are mainly in San Francisco and a few smaller cities. Although regulators are more strict, their operations continue. Motional Hyundai Plus Active is testing level for robotaxis in Las Vegas. Another company, Autox, is active in China, Shenzhen, Shanghai, Guangzhou, and aiming for Europe and beyond, partnering with companies like NEV. China also has autonomous buses that run on regular routes in cities such as Shanghai and Shenzhen. In Europe, for example, Navia and EasyMile operate autonomous minibuses in limited areas, airports, industrial zones. China's Pony.ai is the only company to commercially operate fully driverless robotaxi services in all 4 of China's first-tier megacities, Beijing, Shanghai, and Shenzhen. This represents a valuable real-world experience in the challenging conditions of dense urban traffic. The company has entered into a major strategic partnership with Bolt in 2025 to bring autonomous taxis to Europe. While Bolt brings European market knowledge and infrastructure to the partnership, Pony.ai provides proven technology. Founded in 2016, the company now operates a fleet of 720 robotaxis and around 200 robotrucks. It has logged more than 55 million autonomous kilometers on public roads. Pony.ai is not coming to Europe unprepared. In April 2025, the company received permission to test Level 4 autonomous vehicles in Luxembourg, where it has established its first European research and testing hub. The testing is taking place in collaboration with local transport operator Emil Weber. In October 2025, Pony.ai entered into a partnership with Stellantis to develop autonomous vehicles for the European market. The first test vehicles, based on the Peugeot e-Traveler, were to be deployed in Luxembourg, with a gradual expansion to other European cities from 2026. The collaboration with Bolt represents another, more fundamental step. While the partnership with Stellantis focuses on technical integration into vehicles, the collaboration with Bolt brings direct access to the existing customer network and operational infrastructure. The pilot cities will be selected from EU member states and other European countries. The first pilot deployment is planned for 2026, with the ambition to transition to a fully driverless mode within about a year of the launch of the first pilot operations. Pony.ai is not the only Chinese company targeting the European autonomous vehicle market. S&P Global Analysis shows that Chinese companies such as WeRide and Pony.ai are gaining a lead over American competitors in Europe and the Middle East. While American leader Waymo is primarily focused on the domestic market, it operates more than 250,000 paid rides per week in cities such as Phoenix, San Francisco, and Austin. Chinese companies are aggressively expanding abroad.